Hi there, welcome to another video on my channel. In this video, we will take a look at Petoneer Smart Cat Toy Bowl. Smart Cat? Well, we all know cats are smart, but this is a smart toy. This one is available for various prices at Chinese retailers. For instance, at AliExpress it's $15, on GearBest $25, on TomTop $24. The package resembles all Xiaomi devices packages. It's pretty simple. And inside you will find the instruction manual in Chinese, the ball itself, and the short USB charging cable. For first use, you will have to charge the ball. You will do that by unscrewing it, and inside you will find micro USB connector, and just plug it in and leave it for like 15-20 minutes. You can see the LED is glowing, so that means that it's charging. The way it operates is really simple. If you want to turn it on, you just shake it. If you want to turn it off, you just shake it up, down. So, shaking it any direction turns it on, and shaking it up, down really fast turns it off. And now let's see a live demo with real cat. Does it work? Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.